Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about recording synthesized sounds. Synthesizers give you great facsimiles of keyboard sounds and fairly decent sounds for strings, brass, woodwinds, and much more depending upon your module. How convincing the sounds are depends on the quality of the samples in the instrument and the way you play it, as well as how prominent the sound is in your mix. You can get away with an organ in a jazz mix or a rock mix, but if you're playing a sampled trumpet for a sparse jazz arrangement, you probably won't fool anyone. Guitars and violins also usually don't come across well when they're sampled from your keyboard synth. Sampled sounds usually come compressed, so you won't need to add any on the way in. Record keyboard sounds in stereo. Connect the output using a standard 1/4-inch cable. Test for the nominal level for each instrument bank. They're not the same, even from the same synthesizer. Keep your tracks clean and quiet, and make sure the input levels are adjusted so they don't clip and aren't too low. Otherwise, you boost later, and then you might generate some unwanted noise doing that. Generally, the sweet spot for most synthesized keyboard sounds is about 2/3 up the volume fader. Boost the volume from the instrument as much as possible before boosting your input signal elsewhere. This concludes our tutorial about recording synthesized sounds.